Letters that are difficult to pronounce, Part 1. The Kurmanji dialect uses the Latin alphabet and has 8 vowels and 23 consonants. There are only a few letters in the Kurmanji alphabet that are different from the English alphabet. Let's see the different ones. E, as in American English pronunciation, here and mere, or halfway between bad and bad. Another one, as in caution and motion. E, as in sea and lee. As in soot and foot. U, as in boot and who. Q, like K but far back on the soft palate. Last different one, G, as in Scottish loch and the German ach. In the next part, I'll show you sample words for these letters. See you.